Before we work on this nail, I want to do a small unboxing of a few things that I got from Aliexpress to specifically help me achieve this nail. I've been buying a lot of nail charms because I don't know what I would need depending on what I get inspired by. It's a problem. I picked up these Jade. I shouldn't have bought these. I will be the first to admit that I should not have bought these because I have a ton. I saw them and I thought, oh my god, they're so cute. I could probably use this. So I picked it up. Let's see. Hopefully I don't have duplicates of this. I've seen long hair pretty nails talk about this. Oh my god, look, it's already peeling. Okay, this is the first one. This is pretty. What I don't like about this is that you don't really see the, ooh. I've seen this swatch and the magnets in there didn't seem to be a lot, but I'm doing this and the magnet pieces seem to be a whole lot. I don't know what it's gonna look like. We can do a swatch in like a short or something, but the bottom part of the packaging is like very good quality, but the top part is not. It's going to flake off very, very easily. Next order, I picked up this ceramic nail drill bits, and the pricing on this was very good. It was an all-in-one type of a thing where, you know, you pay one price and they give you a lot of them. And this lot came with 5 drills. It looks like all these are medium bits. I should have gotten a fine one for the cuticle. I'm probably not going to use this because I'm just going to keep pushing the cuticle instead of filing around it. But for like, I do my little sister and my mother-in-law's nails, and they generally don't do their nails as often as I do, and also they have a lot of buildup on their nails, so I'll probably use this for prep on very low speed until we get their cuticles in shape, and then we'll just stop using them. I got these tiny little nail bows. I wanted to buy this so I can gauge how many extra bows I wanted to buy. I did end up buying a lot more bows. So I didn't really know how little these were, but these are very, very, very tiny. They're so little. See how little they are? Like compared to my nail, I can put this on the side of it. Like if I do a nail look, I can absolutely put this on it and it would be so cute, just like on the side of it. That's what I wanted to use it for. So I'm gonna put these away. Okay, we'll use this one today because it's the most empty one right now. Actually, we'll use the side. It just has tiny little nail decals. They're not stickers. These are just nail decals. So I think I'll put them in there because they're all so little. It only just makes sense, right? I bought 2 of these. The reviews on one of them said all the bows arrived broken. But this one is not broken. It's very much intact. I picked up these stars for this specific nail look because the inspo had heart stars. I picked up these hearts for this nail look. I picked up another star set, but those stars are too small for me. So I picked these up to use on the nail, and luckily for me it came in yesterday as I was getting ready to film. So excited. This is what they look like. They are like glittery iridescent type of hearts. I do want to buy some heart molds so I can make different colors of hearts. I just love hearts on my fingers. I don't care if it's not sophisticated or rich looking. I don't know, but I like my nails to look like jewels and not like a status symbol. So I like both sets because they come in different sizes. There's a very big one, the medium size is the one I have, and some very little ones too. The other section. I picked up this nail decals for when you do French nails. It's supposed to be a few different colors in one. This is for doing like an ombre type of a French nail. I haven't mastered regular French nail. Here I go. Ordering these things. It's this color, this color, this color, this color. I will link. I picked up the sticker set from Aliexpress as well. It's like 12 stickers in one order. And oh. It's like a book. I mean, it's like it's folded. Oh, it's huge. Do you see this? This is what it is. Okay, I like these. They're almost like jelly nail stickers. These would be perfect for my clients. My clients are my house people, my daughter. They like flowers, so this would be perfect for that. And of course, you can break them apart, which I need to do so I can store them. I have this book that I picked up from Aliexpress as well. And I have these water stickers in here that we will be using. So we're just gonna stack these in here. I'm double stacking them because there is a lot of these stickers. Okay, I picked up these pieces. I don't know what these are called, but I know that they're used for nails. And if I do like it, I might go back and pick up different colors of it. So we're gonna put that one in here. Tiny, tiny little looking nail something. I don't know. This is a 54 or 57 charm thing, and I'm almost full. And I think I'm almost full because a few of these are too empty. I have something coming in, so I'm gonna end up filling them up a little bit more. These chains are used in conjunction with this one that I just picked up, so I'm excited. I will find a nail look to try to recreate. Picked up this brush set. I hope my nails don't fall off too soon or too quickly. Nail art brushes. Okay, this is the next one. Next one. Ah, this is the one I was waiting for. This is the one that I've seen a lot of people use for French tip. So I'm excited to practice with it. I've been practicing my French tip, okay? Slowly but surely, we're practicing. We're trying to be better at it. This is the last one. Back to the nails.